So in this way, you can actually create various visuals and complete a dashboard. Right now, this one page dashboard, as we spoke, has been created, where I can see total sales, total profit, total quantity sold, total discount, total products as well. Then we have category wise sales. Here also we have category wise sales, but in the vertical format. Here we have ship mode wise sales. So which ship mode has performed what, I can clearly see here in the form of visual, and then we have month wise sales here. So in this way, you can create all the various kind of visuals and make a particular dashboard in this fashion.